This Farberware Glide Nonstick Saucepan is not just another saucepan, it's a game-changing tool that combines versatility, durability, and innovative design. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast, this 3-quart saucepan will redefine how you cook and clean. With its advanced CopperSlide technology and built-in straining lid, the Farberware Glide offers convenience and functionality for a wide range of culinary tasks, from boiling pasta to preparing delicate sauces. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive into the features, benefits, and reasons why this saucepan is a must-have for your kitchen. By the end, you'll see why investing in the Farberware Glide is a decision you won't regret. Features that stand out. Number 1. CopperSlide technology for effortless cooking. The standout feature of the Farberware Glide is its CopperSlide non-stick technology. Say goodbye to sticky messes and tedious scrubbing sessions. This advanced coating ensures your food slides right off the surface, making cleanup as easy as a quick rinse or a wipe with a soft cloth. Number 2. Built-in straining lid. One of the most innovative features is the shatter-resistant glass lid with a built-in strainer. Forget about using separate colanders or strainers. This lid simplifies everything from draining pasta to straining vegetables, saving you time and effort. Number 3. Durable and efficient construction. The saucepan is made of durable aluminum, ensuring fast and even heat distribution. This design minimizes hot spots, allowing you to cook your meals to perfection without burning or uneven cooking. Number 4. Ergonomic, easy-hold handles. Comfort and safety are key when handling hot cookware. The Farberware Glide features easy-hold handles that provide a secure grip, even when the pot is full. These handles are sturdy, ergonomic, and designed to stay cool during stovetop use. Number 5. Oven-safe versatility. The saucepan is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to transition from stovetop to oven without switching cookware. This feature is perfect for recipes requiring slow cooking or finishing in the oven. Number 6. Dishwasher-safe convenience. Cleaning up is hassle-free, as the saucepan is completely dishwasher-safe. Whether you're dealing with sticky sauces or delicate reductions, the non-stick surface and dishwasher compatibility make cleanup effortless. Why choose the Farberware Glide Nonstick Saucepan? Number 1. Perfect for everyday cooking. From boiling pasta to steaming veggies or crafting the perfect sauce, this saucepan is designed to handle all your daily cooking needs. The 3-quart size is ideal for family meals or smaller batches, ensuring versatility in your kitchen. Number 2. Healthier cooking made easy. The CopperSlide nonstick technology allows you to cook with minimal oil or butter, promoting healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or texture. Number 3. Saves time and effort. The built-in straining lid eliminates the need for additional kitchen tools, reducing the steps and cleanup involved in meal preparation. This saucepan is a true multitasker. Number 4. Stylish and functional design. With its sleek black finish and glass lid, the Farberware Glide is as visually appealing as it is practical. It adds a touch of modern elegance to your cookware collection. How it compares to other saucepans. Farberware Glide versus traditional nonstick saucepans. Unlike traditional nonstick pans, the Farberware Glide offers superior food release, thanks to its CopperSlide coating. The built-in straining lid and ergonomic handles make it a more convenient choice for busy kitchens. Farberware Glide versus stainless steel saucepans. While stainless steel pans are durable, they often require more oil and are prone to food sticking. The Farberware Glide provides a healthier and more efficient alternative without compromising on durability. Farberware Glide versus ceramic saucepans. Ceramic pans are popular for their non-stick properties, but many lack the added convenience of features like built-in strainers. The Farberware Glide stands out by combining non-stick performance with functional design. Conclusion. This Farberware Glide Nonstick Saucepan is more than just a piece of cookware. It's a solution to the everyday challenges of cooking and cleaning. With its innovative features, user-friendly design, and versatile functionality, this saucepan is a must-have for any home chef. Whether you're a busy parent, a culinary enthusiast, or someone who just loves well-designed tools, this saucepan will exceed your expectations. Its CopperSlide technology, built-in straining lid, and ergonomic handles make it the ultimate kitchen companion. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.